Let us remember that motivation is a state of mind. 1 minute you can be motivated, and the next minute you may be demotivated. So you need to work on your motivation consistently. In this video, I will cover a few tips that will give you a quick motivational boost whenever you need it. Distractions can easily knock you out of your motivated state. During this time, it is very easy to procrastinate. To avoid such distractions, we can use some tips to get back on the motivational track. Use visualization. If your motivation level is fading, then take a few minutes to visualize achieving your goal. Visualization can help you to change your emotional state to motivation. If you never used visualization before, then it can take a bit of practice. But it is a technique for quick motivational burst. When you are visualizing, be sure to experience the strong feelings of excitement and joy that you will get once you have achieved your goal. This will inspire you to take action and rekindle your motivation. Use affirmations. It is very important how you talk to yourself. If you are constantly bombarding your mind with negative thoughts, then your motivation is going to take a nosedive. Positive affirmations are a great way to prevent this. You can activate your positive affirmations anytime you feel that your motivation levels are dropping. When you are speaking your affirmations, make sure that you feel the words and that they inspire you. Don't just speak your affirmations in a monotone. That may not help you. It is essential that you inject emotion into your affirmations. By reading your affirmations out loud with a strong emotion, you will boost your energy and your motivation levels. Keep practicing until it works for you. Listen to uplifting music. We know some fast-paced music that uplifts us. If your motivation levels are down, put on that uplifting music to give you a boost. You need to avoid any temptation to listen to slow or sad music. Those will put you in the wrong state. Only you know what kind of music will uplift you. If you have a smartphone, you can add your uplifting music to your smartphone so that you can access it wherever you are. Uplifting music really works, so make sure that you have at least a few songs available at all times. Get your body moving. When you are in motion, you create emotion. If you are feeling demotivated, get out of your chair and start moving around. Do whatever you need to do to get motivated. For example, you can jump around and punch the air. This can make you feel energized, refreshed, and raring to go. Moving around will increase the flow of blood and oxygen to your brain. This is a great way to increase your motivation levels. Practice moving around in different ways until you find the right set of movements that will drive up your motivation levels. It really works, so do it now. If you take power naps, you will quickly restore your alertness and feel refreshed. After a power nap, it is likely that your sensory perception will be heightened and you will feel creative and motivated. A number of successful people like Thomas Edison and Albert Einstein were supporters and practitioners of the power nap. If it was good for them, then it is good for you. Create a motivational anchor. This is easy to do and effective. Find a time when you are feeling motivated. and then create a physical anchor by doing something with your body. This can be squeezing your thumb and forefinger together. For this to work effectively, the feelings of motivation must be really strong. Once you have set the anchor, test it and see if you feel motivated again. When you have an anchor that works, you can use it for an instant motivational boost. This is simple and effective technique. Set your motivational anchor today. Make changes to your environment. Many researchers prove that our environment can severely affect our mood. If you need to sit in a chair for several hours each day and your chair is not comfortable, this can really dry down your motivation levels. Simple solution here is to get a comfortable chair. You can do other things like putting up motivational posters all around your workspace. Change your environment to make you feel more motivated. Watch a motivational video. You will find a lot of motivational videos on YouTube and other video sharing websites. You need to find a short video that will easily inspire you. The only danger with this technique is that YouTube is very addictive. If you are not disciplined, you may end up watching a lot of other videos and waste a ton of time. So find one or two videos that are not too long but will give you a motivational boost. After you have watched them, get straight back to work and work on your goals. Easy and powerful technique to raise your motivation level is to ask yourself questions. For this to work, you must ask the right questions. Ensure to avoid wrong questions, especially when you feel demotivated. Why is this work so boring? Or why can't I get this finished? These kind of questions will leave you in a demotivated state. You need to ask empowering questions like, what are my recent achievements that make me feel proud? What can I do right now to move closer to my goal? Hope that you see the difference here. These questions are empowering and will certainly give you a quick motivational boost. Complete an easy task. If you have many tasks in your to-do list, then you can start off by completing an easy one first. You will get a sense of accomplishment from completing that task. If you try to tackle a difficult task first, then if you get stuck, it can rapidly decrease your motivation level. By completing an easy task, your motivation levels will rise and you will be keen to move to the next task.